In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the left side camshaft sensor on this Audi S4. This is going to be located on the left side back of the engine. Let's get into it. I'm going to grab the engine cover, just pull it straight up. It's just held on by grommets. Now we're going to remove this hose just to prevent some of the coolant from coming out. I'm just going to use a hose pincher. If you have one of these tools, you can pinch off the hose. You don't need to, but just going to prevent some of the coolant from coming out. Just tighten that down. That's good. Now using a hose clamp tool, take the hose clamp, move that down. Just using a pick, just get underneath the hose, just loosen it up. Take that off, slide that out of the way. Take this screw out for the reservoir, use a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to grab the reservoir. You want to lift it up, and it's clipped in the back into the brackets. So lift up and pull forward. There we go. And underneath, there's a connector. Just want to push on that connector, disconnect that, and we'll just slide this out of the way. Don't tip it, otherwise you're going to lose some coolant. Now we're going to disconnect the connector. I'm just going to use a pick. Just get under the tab right there. Slide the connector off. Now we're going to take this bolt out. I'm going to use a T30 socket. To get it loose, you can do it by hand. Pull that bolt out. Grab the sensor, just give it a wiggle back and forth, and it comes right out. Now I'm just going to take a thin coat of silicone on the O-ring. That's good. I'm going to take the sensor, line it up, put it in position, and take the bolt. Get the bolt started. And I'll snug that down. If you can fit a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that to 78 inch-pounds. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in place. Now take the reservoir, get the back tabs lined up. Raise that up, clip it in place. There we go. Then reach underneath. You want to take that connector, plug the level sensor in. And get this lined up. And put the screw in place. Tighten that down. Using hose clamp pliers, just move the clamp down. And if you put one of these hose pinchers on, you want to take that off. And take this cover, line it up in the back, and push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.